Hanoi guys. And today we're playing Mammoth Bugs again. You want to know why sometimes I'm posting videos? Because sometimes I need to go to work. Yeah, my school. Yeah, my school guys. You know, I just went to school again. Something good. This one. While I'm ChatGPT, a few moments later, you're so heavy, just a little bit. Why? Ouch! Oh no, we're crashing. You're going down. That's weird being ChatGPT. Bye-bye, weird thing. Also, this parachute, so you want put on. Wait, why?
Dito ka na matulog ka, Marie?
No.
Ano sa kayo niyo? Ayaw.
Hey, what's up, baby? It's 10:10.
Tulog ka na agad na.
You clothes.
Marie, di ba napagod ka na?
I'm not tired anymore, forgot. Huh?
What?
I'm not tired anymore.
Ano mo?
What a baby.
Let's go. It's 10 na para makatulog ka na.
Di ba midnight snack tayo? Get out of here, I'm
Midnight snack tayo.
Huwag kayo midnight snack na. Kasi nga, di ba sinasabi na pagka ganun ilang oras bawat tulog, huwag nang kumain.
Let's go.
Pagkas kumain, maglakad
Di ba may binili ka? Yun na yung midnight snack mo.
Tara.
This Papa. I don't like you. I don't like you. Get away.
Nangkap na ako.
Hindi ka mo tubig, makitulog naman. Dami yan. Yung drink water na.
Ouch.
Nangkap ako.
Huh? Let me see. You there.